This is how to dry a rabbit. After a rainy day, they wanted to play in the rain. Now they're all wet. And look, she's not white anymore. She's actually got a bit of brown, hasn't she? That bit of hair that she lost at the front. Yeah, look, Emil. It's healed. It's healed. Still a bit wet. Very good, Cloud.
Say cheese.
Still a bit wet here.
Aww, she looks so relaxed. She's probably angry because she wants to eat.
I know. Are we finished?
Yeah.
I think next time we'll try a hairdryer. Are you ready to go back and eat? Oh, what's that on your eye? A bit of dirt. Shall I leave you to clear it yourself? Emil, don't lean on the thing if you can. Okay, other ear we didn't check. Oh, some cuts there. Oh, is that a cut?
Oh.
That's a big cut.
Let me
Look.
see.
That's a big cut. We're going to need some cream for this. Antibiotic cream. Okay. Here we go. You ready?
No struggling.
No scratching, please. Here we go. Okay, Coco, your turn.
Coco.
Coco, don't finish the food, please. No fighting, please. No fighting. Good girl, good girl.
Who's a good Coco?
Check you over.
Oh.
Good girl. Let's give you a bit of a dry.
No.
I know you're hungry. I know you're hungry. Sit still. You're the bouncy one.
Looking at the camera. Looking at the camera.
Ears. Okay, your ears look good. Sit still. Sit still. What do we say about this? You have to sit still.
She's trying to eat the towel.
Okay. Let's dry you.
Good Coco.
Sit still.